Hands down, this is the best blower motor replacement video for an 88 to 98 Chevy. All the other ones suck and they leave out steps.
Alright, today we're going to replace the blower motor in my 97 Chevy T1500. As you can hear, it sounds like a hyena giving birth. So there's two sets of instructions on doing this for an 88 to 98. My truck has the airbag above the glove box and there's no speaker on top. My repair is super easy. The harder one is where the glove box is up higher and there's a speaker up here. You have to disconnect the computer that's behind here and pull the dash back. A lot more steps. First we have to remove the glove box. There's a little connector there that slides towards you. On the outside you can see it's just on a little cable. Easiest way to get this off, prop your knee up so it's half open. Take a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, push towards the seat, and then with your finger pry up and out to get the tab out, and then it'll pop right off. Next, there is a nubbin holding it in. Release that and it'll pop right out. We need to disconnect the purple and the black wires. They wrap around underneath that bar, and as you can see, the one on the left is purple, the one on the right is black. Make sure you do the same order once the new part is in. Now to get the black one out, you got to push away this harness. This is definitely a right hand job. Now kind of sit way to the center console to get leverage. Before you start pulling, there is a tab you're gonna have to press down. As for the purple wire, there is literally no room to pull. Take a pliers on there and lightly pull it out. It'll come right out like butter. This connector has no tab. Now it's time to get that plastic shroud out. There's a little tab at the top you have to pull up, pull back, and then shimmy it downward till it comes out. Don't be afraid to use a little force. Actually, a lot of force. There's 5 of these 7/32 screws you have to take out. Even with a low profile 1/4-inch socket, one of them is a little bit annoying to get to, but you can get it off. This one, that one right there, you're gonna need like a specialty tool to get to. The gap is just too small to be able to do anything. And I really don't want to take that metal bar out. That'll increase my repair time considerably. So I think 5 is overkill, and just go with 4 going forward. I plan on keeping this truck a long time. If I have to replace this again, I'm not going to deal with that again. Okay, that last screw in the upper right, don't bother putting it back in. Just get it out and then forget about it. I was able to find this like micro adjustable wrench, and it's the size of my thumb. Go on it vertically and then twist it. Keep twisting it till it comes out. Throw it away. Don't ever put it in again. You can see the new one has a plug that you can remove to attach your hose. Make sure this prong is pointed straight up like the old one was. Go ahead and do everything in reverse order. With the old blower on the ground, take a 7mm, remove the ground, attach it to your new one. It's going to be a heck of a lot easier doing this before you insert the new blower back into the dash. Take a little bit of sandpaper and sand off that corrosion. Orientation for the connectors, this one is straight up horizontal. The ground is right next to it to the right, and vertical with the curve to the right. So the top screw is a pain in the butt to get to as well, but it's doable. Don't put your hose on yet until you get that one secured. Push the whole assembly in tight and tighten that one fully just to be done with it. Now we're going to attach the hose. There's a groove, so jamming it in an angle and then kind of like do a 360 shimmy on it. Connect the other end like this. Tighten up the remainder of the screws, and that fart right there, forget about it. It's not worth the trouble. Stupid design. Okay, don't hook up your connectors yet. Put the plastic shroud back on, then the connectors. Okay, the shroud goes on a lot easier than it comes off. Make sure that piece goes in the hole, and then obviously the top piece, there's a clamp there, and then your 2 connectors, make sure those come through both holes for those. Now that we got our connectors back in, they go in way easier than they come out. Let's start the truck up and see what it sounds like. And hopefully we get more air pressure too. That could be a side benefit. All right, we're all done. No more whining, high-pitched squeal. And I can hear more wind pressure. So super easy to bear to do if your truck is like mine. Now, if you have the model that requires the extra work, good luck. All right, last little tip. When you put this back in, start with the 2 hinges and then go to like a, not parallel, but below parallel to get those to fit in there real good. If you go in at a above parallel angle, they're just not going to sit in the 2 side hinges correctly.